Hey you all, welcome to my channel, and as you can see again, it's me, Night Code, and as I told you, I'm going to make a video today concerning Android Studio, and I hope this music I'm playing is not actually disturbing, because actually when I love walking, I love listening to music, sure. So let's get things started now. So first of all, I hope you know how to install the Android Studio. So once you have installed it successfully on your PC, then all you just need to do is to start a new project, as you can see now. So all you just need to start a new project. So let me move this so it can work. Please, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because that will help me allow me to create more videos like this when I see there's a lot of people turning up to watch this video on my channel. So it's kind of give me more joy to make more videos like this. So please, I really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel if you are watching this video right now. So once you create your project, you have to choose a project. They have a lot of activities. So there's the basic activity, the empty activity, the bottom navigation activity, the fragment. There's a lot more activities, but for this video I'm going to just be showing you on how to start with the empty activity. I really suggest you to always start with the empty activity, because you will know how to implement everything on your own without the help of all this. So let's just start with the empty activity. Yeah, so as you can see now, we have to configure our project. So you have to name our app. So let me name it first application. First application. First application for beginners. This is long, but anyway, let me just shorten it to first app for beginners. Yeah, so this is what we are naming our app. So while you are configuring this project, you have the ability to choose the language you want to develop it. Neither is Java or Kotlin. You have the choice, but majorly I'll be showing you guys on how to work on Kotlin, because I feel like Kotlin is a new programming language and most of us really don't know how to program with Kotlin. So I just want to make some videos that will allow you to know some basic stuff about Kotlin. So let's just move on. You can select this if you want, but I'm not, so I'm just gonna click finish. Yeah, for the package name you can also change it to anything you want, but I'm going to leave mine like this. So after you're done, just click finish. Please, if you are new to this channel, as I'm saying, I'm repeating myself again, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please, 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 and please. And also you can follow me on Instagram at nightcode. I'll be putting it there, the link below, so you can follow me on Instagram also. And you can download my app, my latest app on Play Store is a WhatsApp status saver. I'll put the link below so you can have the chance to download it if you want. If you feel like downloading it, you can. My PC is kind of slow, so I will have to chill till this stuff moves on to the next level. Just chill and enjoy my song. I don't really know the song. The name of the song is Suburban by Trados. If you like this song, if you want to download it, let me change it. Suburban. I don't really know why this is taking a lot of time, but I don't know why it's meant to have moved further than this. Right, perhaps pause this video. Yeah, so as you can see now, our project is going to start loading now. So let's just stay chill. Yeah, as you can see, it has started loading. As you can see now, first app for beginners, it just started loading. Yeah. Normally it's not meant to take this fast, but my system is a bit slow because I have a lot of work on it. So though I'll soon change it, but for now you just have to cooperate and manage with me. I won't allow this video to be more than 10 minutes, so let me just have to pause it so I can explain some things for a while this load. Yeah, it has started loading, but it's kind of slow, but it's gonna load. Once you run your first project, you must be patient. You must allow everything to load, all the ready to sync successfully, and everything should work perfectly before you can start working on our first app. So you just have to chill till this works okay and sync successfully. So let me just pause the video while this still sync. Yeah, so as you can see, the Gradle daemon process started running. Started running the Gradle daemon. So you just have to chill till this run successfully. So this is still going to load a lot, it's still going to build and a lot of stuff. So I just have to pause this video, but I'm just trying to show you guys how it's going to be. That's why I'm trying to, I don't want to skip any steps so you won't feel confused at how did this load, how did this happen. So that I have to show you step by step on how this is going to work. Let me pause the video while this still sync. Yeah, as you can see now, the Gradle daemon has synced successfully, so it has started running the build. The load build has run successfully, so now it's configuring the build. So all this is going to mark, there are like 5 of them, so all of them is going to mark green. So once it marks green, then we are good to go. Then that means we have successfully created our first application. So it just remains for us to start coding and start editing. So by default, if this app syncs successfully, it's going to bring you and test the Hello World. This is what they call the Hello World app. So it's a default Hello World app once it's synced successfully. So I will run this app for you and show you how it looks, but it hasn't finished loading, so let me just pause this video till everything syncs successfully, so you see how everything looks like, so you won't miss any steps on how this works. And I already posted in my website, I'll put the link below, on how you can set up the Android Studio to your PC, on how you can download the Android Studio, install Java on your PC, and everything is already there. So for now, I just have to pause this video till everything syncs successfully. There is not any error, but it's just looking as if there's an error, but there's not any error. Everything is still syncing fine and loading fine. So you just have to wait till it syncs successfully. Yeah, as you can see, so far so good. Our app has successfully synced, so it's still going to load some stuff, but there are some processes still running here. As you can see, 3 processes running, so you just have to chill till everything syncs successfully. I was actually planning for making this video just a 10 minutes, but it's going to be more than, because I'll still have to explain some stuff to you concerning Android Studio on your first app. So let's just chill till this stereo process runs successfully. Or let me just pause the video. Yeah, so as you can see that everything has marked successfully. I told you like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, like 6 of them. Everything has marked successfully now. So it's going to load stuff here, some codes you see it, which is going to be the main activity .kt and the XML file which we edit our stuff, the hello world. That's where the hello world is going to be. So everything is going to load fine now, as you can see. So you can just chill and wait till this index finish loading. All this, if you are confused on how I got this my dark theme, it's just you download everything from plugin, from the settings. You do that from plugin. If you actually want to know how to do it, I can, if you can just comment below if you want a video on that, so I'll make a video on that for you guys, so you see on how you edit, you download plugins like this and your Android Studio look pretty and good as mine. So let's just shoot till everything. You don't have to wait till this index finish loading. So everything is still loading, so we just have to wait. Yeah, as you can see now, the index has just finished loading right now. So everything has synced successfully, and now our first project has been made successfully. So as you can see, this is the main activity.java. This is where you do all the programming, all the typings and everything, all the setting on the click list now and everything is going to be done here. And it's in this place you edit the look of the app. So I may just minimize this, and yeah, so we have the design and test aspects. So this in this place you see hello world and how it's going to be. My system is a bit slow, that's why you keep saying it's being slow, but if your system is fast, all this is meant to load very fast on your system. So you have to wait till it's build finish. So let me just pause this video because I don't want it to be too long and look so. Yeah, as you can see now, the hello world, this is the hello world test I'm talking about. As you can see now, this is the, once we run the app, it's going to just be in an hello world empty activity, which is the hello world. You only have the hello world test. So in this, if you want to change this test, you can change it to anything you want. So you can change it from here in attributes. You can change it from attributes, or you just go to text and you change it from there. You can change it from here. So you just come to the, I think it's the, you come to the declared attributes, then you change the text. Yeah, so you change the text. You can change it from here, or you just come here to the text, which is the programming language, which is the some of the programs, then you change it. You change it. As you can see, I didn't delete these columns. You can just double click on the text and you change it to Paint First Apps. No, yeah, just name it Apps First Beginner App. Yeah, so that's it. So if you see, when we come to the design aspect, it will automatically update by itself. As you can see, it has updated, which is the first beginner app. So that's it. So for us to run this project, you should enable debugging on your phone. If you don't know how to enable debugging on your phone, you can browse it, or I can make a video for you on that if you want. But you should normally know how to do this. Is a very simple stuff. You enable debugging on your phone, then you connect your phone to your PC with your cord. So once you connect your phone with your PC with your cord, it will automatically dispense and see your phone from here. As you can see, my phone is Samsung J5 Pro, so it automatically sees my phone from here. So all you just need to do is just to run your app. So when we run this app now, you'll see it on my phone. I'll show you on my phone. I'll screen record my phone. So that's all for now in this video. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and as I said, I will always make more videos like this. So once all this syncs successfully, it's going to automatically install on my phone. So I'll show you that for now. So I'll also have to stop this video so I can make the rest of my video on my phone. So bye for now.
Yeah, as you can see, this is the app which I just finished developing. This is the app, as you can see. This is a Hello World app which we changed. This is an Hello World test which we changed to the first beginner app. So that's how it works. So in my next tutorial, I'll be showing you guys on how we can make a splash screen with Android Studio. This is what they call a splash screen here. As you can see, this is one of my app which I just recently made. I'll be putting the link in the description. So this is what the splash screen looks like. So this is the logo and from Nightcode. So this is one of my latest apps. So if you want to download, please download now. And that's all for this tutorial. Stay blessed and peace out.